Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, we're gonna be upgrading this old light fixture here and replacing it for a nice dual fan setup with a single light housing in the middle here. So I'm gonna be putting this in my patio covered area. It's made by Harbor Breeze and it's called a Twin Breeze 2 and an oil rub bronze finish. If you're gonna check out this awesome product, I highly recommend you check out the links down in the description below if you'd like more information on it or get the best deal. These are really nice because you can use them indoor and outdoor. It has the reversible motor on it. LED bulbs are also included. And you have two mounting options. You can actually opt for a light housing or you can just put a cover on it so you don't have to do the light if you don't want to. But today I'm going to be using the light fixture. So here are more of the specs on it here. And then I'll show you that cover really quick and we'll go into the install. You can actually use this cover instead of using the light housing. So the light housing part right here, you can remove this off and just put this cap on here, or you can actually use a light. So here's the fan. This is what it looks like here. It was packaged with that nice foam padding and everything is inside here. As you can see, those are the fan blades, cap, the light fixture, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, install it. All right, old light fixture is taken down and I have an opened up area there for my new dual fan fixture with the single light in the middle there. So really like this setup so far. I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up and we'll see how it looks. All right, so I have the mounting bracket up and I actually used some drywall screws. I have two right here and two on this side, and this is not going anywhere. You can see how it doesn't even want to budge. So we are ready to hang it up. All right, so I finished up the light fixture there and fed the pull chains for the light, which goes through the middle here, and then the fan, which goes off to the side right here. All I have to do now is shorten up these wires because they give you plenty of black, blue, and white wire to play with. All right, so I have everything wired up and I try to separate everything for you all so you can see what's going on here. So I'll start with the ground. There are two ground leads coming from this side. You have one here and one on the bottom. I ran those over here to connect with the house ground, which is this one right here. So I just tied all three of these together, used the wire nut to connect them together. Next is the black and blue wire. That's going to be connected to the house black wire there. So I don't know if you can see that. This is from the fan, these two small ones here, and then this is from the house. Again, wire nut on that one, and then white goes to white. Now all I have to do is just tuck everything in, slide this cap on, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, all done. This is what it looks like here from my ladder, close to the ceiling here. And as you can see, really nice clean finish with the cap. Nice finish as well with this finishing cap bezel. And this is what it looks like from the top. And this is the left fan and the right fan. And the nice thing I like about this fan is it's actually made out of plastic. It has this kind of rattan finish to it. And the finish is both on the top and bottom there. So, and it also can be adjusted like this, about 20 degrees from this angle here, like that. It won't go this way, but it will go this way. And you can just tighten it down with those little levers right there and right there if you want to adjust it. I just left mine flat, and this is the same way as well. So some quick tips whenever you're installing this fan. I definitely would recommend that you don't forget to put this pull chain right here for the fan, feed it through that little conduit there, or it'll get hung up on the edge. So you want to feed that through there and pull it all the way down, and then it's going to come through the side right here. That's your fan and that's your light. Also, whenever you assemble the fan blades, make sure you do those first before you put the caps on, because it's going to be a pain if you do it later on down the road. All right, let's talk about the dimensions of this fan. So it was really hard for me to find really good information on the dimensions of this fan, so hopefully this information will help you out. The length of it from the tip of that fan to the tip of this fan is 74 inches, and the width of it from this blade to this blade is roughly about 29 inches. So that'll give you a good idea of how much cushion you need to have as far as the sidewalls. Because I know in the instructions it says that you need to have at least a 30-inch cushion around the whole fan blade. So over here I have at least 30 inches. And then going this way, I have over 5 feet, so I'm definitely clear there. So the dimensions of this particular area here is about 6 feet going this way, and then about 13 feet going this way. So if you multiply 6 times 13, that's 78 square feet. And this particular fan is saying that it's ideal for 400 square feet or more, as you can see right over here. If you go to the Know Your Ceiling Height section on the box, it actually says that with this particular setup, with the 4-inch down rod that's included, this setup is ideal for a 9-foot to 11-foot ceiling. And then it says right here, the ideal height from floor to the fan blades is about 7 to 9 feet. I finally bought some newer pull chains that are a lot longer for the light and for the fan. I'll show you really quick. Before it was so high, it was like way over here and I had a tippy toe. So now I can just pull it and the fan will come on. And if I want to pull the light chain, it'll come on as well. One of the many benefits of this awesome fan is it's very versatile, meaning that you can actually pivot this thing 360 wherever you'd like. So I can turn this thing and it will auto balance. As you can see here, you can pivot it this way or that way, and it'll stay completely level. Then I'll bring it back over here and just twist it back to where it was at before. So as you can see here, right over there by the down rod, it actually allows you to pivot this thing on an angled ceiling. So if your ceiling was leaning like this, it would actually angle downward like that, and it would be level. All right, the whole install is done. I would say from start to finish took roughly about an hour, probably about 20 minutes or so to pre-assemble everything, and then probably another 25 to 35 minutes to install it, because I had to do the wiring and make sure that that harness up there, the mount was nice and secure. But this is the old light fixture here, and this is my upgrade. Really happy with it. And again, I put in a wireless bulb in there so I can control it from the Smart Life app. And then this is the highest speed, and it really blows some air down really good, but it's really quiet. Let's try to come outside here so you can see it. And the nice thing about this setup is, like I said, you can angle the fan blades to be at an angle, but if you loosen up the levers on this left side and right side, it will allow you to pivot the fan 20 degrees angle, and you just lock it in place. Again, it won't let you go this way. It stops flat, so you can only go that way, and then that fan blade will allow it to go this way. So say over here is getting not enough air, or over there on that seat over there, I can actually angle this at an angle to blow the air directly into that spot right over there. But so far I'm happy with it. If anything, I might buy a down rod, maybe just to lower it down by a foot or so. So again, this is the highest speed. And then if I pull it again, this is the number 2 speed, which is a lot slower. And then this is the lowest speed right here. And if you pull it again, it'll turn it off. And also, whenever it's windy outside, what I notice is it doesn't actually blow the fan around. I know a lot of fans out there, sometimes they'll actually blow around. If it gets windy outside, it'll blow the fan blades around, but these stay put even when it's windy outside. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed my quick little upgrade on these twin dual fans with the single light in the middle here. If you want to check out this awesome product, I'll leave a link down in the description below for you, and you can find out more information on it or find out exactly where I bought mine from. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.